Hi, I'm Chanel. Let's draw a cute bird, a white zebra finch. So I have my reference photo here. This is a photo I took of one of my little zebra finches I used to have. And I draw the basic rough lines of the body. Then I can use the shift key when I pull across and draw those straight lines. And that helps me see if I'm on the right track. So you go through and you tidy it up, make the lines a little bit cleaner, erase, the big fuzzy bits. Yep. So I messed up the legs there, so I moved those along a little bit, moved the beak a bit. It's just basically make it into a kind of tidy line art looking thing. It doesn't need to be perfect though, just getting it looking as good as you want it really. Alright, so make a layer, put it underneath, put some colours on there. I don't like to eye pick from the original photo, I like to try to guess. Obviously my guess isn't really very good here, but I didn't really mind. And I added a background layer, keeping it kind of similar just for lighting's sake. I didn't want to, get too far from the original. Okay, so the fun part is kind of shading in these little bits now, and then I make a duplicate of the layers I was working on and then merge them. So I'm just going to paint on that layer. Okay, so once you've done that, I bring that one to the top and I start painting over it. So I start smoothing out over those black lines using the colours, just eye pick and smooth over it. Keep an eye on the original photo. My screen's not big enough, so I had to copy paste that little face there so I could see what I was doing. It doesn't need to be perfect, remember, but the more you practice, the more accurate it becomes. I haven't got a lot of practice yet. I've already done about less than 10 photo reference kind of pictures like this, so I'm still learning as well. Okay, so you can see I messed up the feet here. I forgot to cut out the line art around the legs, tidy it up, so I ended up just painting over top of them, and then I had to just do a bunch of shading over top, which took a lot of unnecessary time. So that's my bad. I'm also not really crazy about drawing feet yet, need a bit more practice with that. Bird feet are really interesting because of the wee funny angles and the claws. They're pretty cute though, so these ones weren't too bad I guess, but you can tell I kind of skimmed over them, didn't put as much effort in as I should have. I decided to fix up a little bit more of that shading there. You can see it's a bit darker at the bottom. Tidy it up, get rid of those dark lines. Try and smooth it out. Alright, then I think, okay, let's do something on that background, let's make it look like wood. And then, oh no, that doesn't work, let's try this. Looks ugly, let's try texture. Nope, okay. Let's just go with whatever I feel like. Smudge, 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 smudge. Opacity, great. Okay, and you can see if I turn off the layer, the original looked like that, and now you can see it, very few hints of the black lines. Not finished yet, let's give it some character. So, this zebra finch is a pretty cool guy. Let me show you why. So I'm using the same principle, outline thing, color underneath, color over top of that layer, adding a little bit of detail. Obviously it looks pretty stuck on him, but I quite enjoy doing these out of place kind of pets. Probably needed to fix the lighting and the values, but I'm still learning too. This is just what I do, and I think you can still get something out of this, so hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'm Chanel.